One of the things God's doing right now is waiting for an organization like My Faith Votes to tell the story of what God is doing in this country. God is using this moment to use organizations like My Faith Votes to remind us that we have to be a part of this process. We have to get our voice heard.
Be a part of the process. Visit donate.myfaithvotes.org and make a donation today. You can help My Faith Votes ensure that Christians get out and vote.
So you were a law clerk for Justice Clarence Thomas.
Yes, I was.
So you have a very unique perspective on the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
And I hear a lot that this election is about the Supreme Court. But my question is, how did we get to a point where this election is about the Supreme Court?
Well, we have Justice Scalia, of course, who passed away, who was a dear friend and a wonderful man. We have 4 justices who are, tend to vote more liberal side of things, and 4 who tend to be more originalist in their interpretation of the Constitution. And that's even a bit of a stretch. But I think that when the court has taken on such a prominent role on issues that are best left to the states, yeah, it's a problem. And I agree with the now deceased Robert Bork, who believed that the court had too much jurisdiction, that the court has too much power. Unelected power is a dangerous thing. And, checks and balances with the court, yeah, we can impeach judges. But the other thing is we have the presidential appointment power and the Senate, confirmation power. Those are our checks on the court. They're not a lot of checks.
Right.
That's it. So if the next president gets likely 2 or 3, at the very least 2 or 3, probably 3 at least, seats on the court, because the justices vote more like legislators than people just interpreting the Constitution, it takes on like the role of a super legislature. That's why it's so important.
Right.